Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Kawasaki KLR650. This bike is in beautiful shape, only 5,800 miles. It's got a fork brace on the front, engine guards, hand guards. It's got rear racks for the side cases. Low mileage, satin black color. It's got an Evo handlebars with bar risers, so you can adjust those. Come on by, make your KLR 650 dreams come true for just $49.99. We are gonna sell this bike quick. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.